To log in to the QA SAC data entry dashboard, begin by selecting Lab Manager Login on the QA SAC homepage. In the top line, enter your 6-digit lab ID. In the bottom line, enter your email address and click Submit. Send an email to manager@qasac-americas.org if you don't know your laboratory's ID number. You'll receive an email containing a link. Click this link. This will log you in to the QA SAC data entry dashboard. If you don't receive an email, send a message to manager@qasac-americas.org. Select Verify Lab Contact Information. Under Shipment Received, report the date you received your LIS samples. This is the date your laboratory actually received the test samples, not the date of analysis or the date today. Check the accuracy of the name of the primary contact and address where you receive LIS samples. Make changes if needed. Confirm that the email addresses under Emails are correct. You can add or remove email addresses here. QA SAC communications are only sent to these addresses. Click Submit. You've completed the first step and verified your lab contact information. Select Enter Measurements for Sample 1. Take a moment to read the instructions before entering your measurements. Use only the units indicated in the data entry form. Enter something for every measurement. Do not skip a measurement. Do not enter all zeros. If your laboratory has no measurement to report, check Missing and go on to the next measurement. For measurements below the analytical detection limit, check the Below Detection Limit checkbox. A less than symbol will appear. Enter your detection limit, not your instrument reading, in the spaces provided. Never type a less than symbol. Quality control requires that you enter every measurement twice. Each digit must match exactly, even if the digit is a 0. After you have entered all measurements in the first and second entries, click Submit. If your entries do not pass quality control, an error message will appear. Notice that errors appear in pink. In order to proceed, you must correct any errors that have been detected. Follow these same rules to enter measurements for samples 2 and 3. Measurements for all 3 samples must be entered, even if 1 or more is missing. Lab comments are optional. If you'd like to record comments about laboratory methods, problems, or other relevant information, select Enter Optional Lab Comments. Select Submit My Data. Review your entries. If you see an error, select Return to Dashboard and return to a previous step to make corrections. Otherwise, select Submit. A report listing all entries and target concentrations will be sent to all contacts on the email list for your laboratory. Thank you for viewing this video. You can send questions or comments about data entry procedures to manager@qasac-americas.org.